folks, Donal McCarthy here, bringing you your Bloordale Village update for August sales in 2020. So let's jump in here now straight away. Just wanted to give you an overview. This is our 6-month aggregate, so March 1st sales to August 31st sales, so really COVID and post-COVID. And as you can see here for Bloordale Village, we're still very much in a seller's market. And the immediate indicators I go to determine that is, look, on average list to sale ratio is selling about 9% above the listing value, and stuff is selling in days on market is on average 12 days. So that is a strong indicator and tells us that we are in a seller's market still in Bloordale Village. Let's look at some of the other parameters. Here is again our neighborhood. These are the prices for 2020. As you can see, we had that dip in March into April, and then of course, as we all know, with a very frothy 3 months since then. We did have a little bit of an easing there in June, but we're back up again. I estimate on September 16th we'll get the parameters for what happened in August. I expect this to have maybe leveled out a little bit, and that we're going into the fall market start to increase again. So record prices for Bloordale Village and our neighbouring areas in 2020, despite what's going on with the pandemic. So as usual, we look at the most expensive and the least expensive home sales in Bloordale Village. Let's see here how many. We had 5 sales in Bloordale Village in August. That's quite good for August, which tends to be a quieter month. So anyways, this property here, this was actually a flip. It sold for about $1 million back in pre-COVID. It was a rooming house. They went in there and they did a renovation back to a single family home, and they tried to get more than the price they were looking for. It's a funky little house, so they didn't get the result they wanted to. Anyways, that sold for almost 1.1 million. Again, all of these are for download below me here in the link as well to the YouTube. Just go to the description section, you'll have a link download to all of these. And let's go to the most expensive sale. This was a triplex that they tried to sell a couple of years ago, didn't get the result of 1.4, but the market has caught up to them. So 93 Armstrong sold for 1.410. Detached 2-car garage. The units were in good enough shape. Lot size is good at 22.82. I think we did quite well in a sale down the street for another triplex that we sold a couple of months ago. 10 Armstrong, because we got just over 1.3 for that one. So considering this was a detached, much bigger lot, units were in better shape. I do think that this sale was a bit under market value. So whoever bought this got a good deal for 1.4. I would have tried to get 1.5 for that, in my opinion. So there you have it. That's the least expensive and most expensive sale in Bloordale Village. And again, you can see the others. You can see details on 66 Armstrong sold, 1158 Dufferin sold, 418 Margaretta Street sold, an investment property there, and yes, 93 Armstrong. So again, they're all for download below me here. I guess economically, I don't see any major shift in our market moving forward, other than the condo market, which we're seeing a bit of a shift happen right now. So thanks again for your time, folks. Donal McCarthy here with Keller Williams Realty, bringing you your August update in real estate in Bloordale Village. Thanks so much, okay? You stay safe, folks. Thank you.